Come back home to play, but to your dismay, this isn't your day. For the happy fun time has begun to fade. Watch as we reanimate our corpses you abandoned or dismantled or mishandled, but we won't be skipped and swayed. Trapped within these walls, you let our souls that drift away. The ink decayed, the walls that fade, but a reckoning has come today. You say, Morris has no guts, cause you replace it with mechanical stream. Moving forward, sort of kills your day. To initiate the pain of venom stains, a knife remains, but the ending's always just the same. No gain. Nod your head to the beat of death as you draw your last eternal breath. Sensations of an invasion that course right through your veins. You say we have no brains, we're just cartoons for your betrayal. To tell some tale when a boat will sail, but sure there's inevitably unveils that fail. Slashes of internal hate will run over and clean your slate. Now we're the tools and you're the fool. A nightmare dominates. Machine, you die tonight. Your soul is not divine. We cannot hold the dream. Do a shining star. So prepare for the creature of the darkest side. You can't take a side. We feel creative as moments that come tonight. Come to the end now, alive but dead inside. The heart beats loud, you've joined our crowd. We are but partners, serpentize. Your life with him was fun, but now the terror's only just begun. Now come with me and you will see. Will you both cyanide?